baby like ooh.
Hello guys, I hope you're all doing fine. Welcome to this very day, a New Year special night. This is Pamoja concert in Eldoret. This is a concert always planned by Amy Kosgei. So I decided that this time round I'm going to usher in New Year in a very different manner. So guys, join us, and above all, I wish you all the very best in the year 2025.
Maybe I can't get to you. Why don't you come to stay? 'Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Go and open the door. And I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want to show the rain is paid around for way too long. 'Cause baby like ooh, 'cause baby.
Guys, it was already January, and I decided to put off everything about Christmas because my kids were getting ready to go back to school, and I saw that this was the only time to prepare myself, return everything to its position. I was being assisted by my boys. So guys, let's continue this exercise as we continue cleaning everything, especially the living room, and I'll talk to you later.
Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need, and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. Why don't you come to stay? waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. I can't really take it anymore. The stress is building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is up.
Guys, this is a new vacuum cleaner. I ordered it from what we call Haydon Enterprises Nairobi. It has a very strong suction, that is very strong indeed. And guys, on 20th January is the deadline for the offer, so go for it guys. I know by the time I'll be uploading this video the offer itakuwa imeisha, but it's a wonderful vacuum. It works perfectly. I really loved it. I'll write down their Instagram page and you will follow them for more information.
This time, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
Hi guys, schools have opened, kids are back to school. I'm now back to square one, operating myself in the house. Like now I'm cooking. This is my lunch. I've cut some vegetables, onions. I mean, I'm just here alone. Back to square one, guys. Back to square one. I had rested for those 2 good months. I wasn't doing anything. But now, I'm back to square one. Anyway, I'll get used to it. These first few days it will be hard, but I'll get used to it. Thank you. Hi guys, I hope you're all doing fine. I just want to say my December holidays was 1.5. Do you know why? I was able to receive several gifts, and one of them was from Ramtons. Guys, I've received a package from Ramtons, courtesy of giveaways for the December holidays. And here is the fridge, as you can all see. It is working. Sometimes back I tried to plug in and it was actually working. It is a small fridge and I am really grateful. 19 liters refrigerator. I think it was model RF233, if I'm not so wrong. Yes, RF233, 19 liters. Guys, I am so much excited. Thank you, Ramtoms, for the giveaway. Guys, I participated and I was the winner. So, Ramtoms, I received the package and I am really grateful. Thank you so much. Hi guys, I hope you're all doing fine. During December holidays, I participated in so many giveaways, and one of them was from Mola's Dental Practice. Here's the package from them. This is Mola's Dental, and it has several things inside. So let us unbox it together. We see what it entails. First of all, we have a card from them, and the card says, "Season's greetings. It has been a joy caring for your smile this year. Wishing you a holiday filled with laughter, happiness, and smiles that shine as bright as the season." Thank you so much for this special, wonderful card from your Molars. Again, we have the kit. We have this kit from them that says, "Smile the go, smile on the go, smile on the go." And as we can all see, it has the following inside. There is toothpaste. I can see there is toothpaste. There is a brush with its holder. And then there is this thing here. I'm yet to find out what it's all about. And this is how you close it and maybe put it in your bag. Another thing, it's a very beautiful key holder, a very nice one. Molars we care and it shows, a very nice one. Then we have a pen, a very executive one, a very nice pen, guys. Molars we care and oh, my eyes. My eyes. Yeah, this one. Very nice. And then we have a mouse pad, guys, a mouse pad. It's so beautiful. It's teaching. It's all about brush, floss, and repeat. Good things come to those who... Yeah, it has some teachings there, and I think I love it. I love it. At least it reminds you that you must take care of your teeth. Yeah, this is it. And then we have a notebook. It's so beautiful. A very nice notebook. Life is better with your smile. Yeah, life is better with your smile. Then we have, you see, it shows some toothpaste, brush, you know, as you can all see. Then we have more information, their vision, their mission, their core values, about them, you see. So guys, if you have problems with your dental, if you have dental problems, that is your teeth, you can always visit this place. I'm pretty sure they do a good job. Dental Molars Practice. And also we have a calendar, table calendar, guys. I'm so excited about this. They have a calendar. This is how it's supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to be. I think I love it. And I'm really grateful. I'm just going to write down the name of that place down there. And if at all you have such problems with your teeth, any dental problem, guys, I think this is the best place to go and have yourself checked. Otherwise, I am so grateful, Dental Molars, for this giveaway. I am so grateful. I think I've received some things that I've never had before, and I am excited. I am excited. Thank you so much.
Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
Hi guys, I'm from work this afternoon. I just want, and I passed by to buy some milk. So I want to remove those things from the box. I also want to prepare supper. Guys, I'm alone. I'm alone kabisa, so I have a lot to do now. And some tomatoes. I bought this fabric, inaitwaje? They are microfiber. They are very nice.
I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town, this town. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
And that is it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye.
Flowers